Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Mockuuups Studio for consistent product branding visuals, beginner guide step by step clearly. Open Mockuuups Studio and create a new project. Select a template that suits your product. Upload your product images by clicking on the upload button. Ensure your images are high resolution for better quality. Adjust the image positioning within the template. Use the built-in tools to resize or crop your images if needed. Next, customize the background color to align with your brand identity. Select a color from the palette or enter a specific hex code. Add your logo to the design by clicking on the Logo Upload section. Position the logo appropriately to ensure it stands out. Now, let's focus on text elements. Add your product name using the text tool. Choose a font that reflects your brand's personality. Adjust the size and spacing of the text for clarity. Make sure the text color contrasts well with the background. Review all elements for visual harmony and branding consistency. When satisfied, save your project to ensure no changes are lost. Export your design in the desired format for your specific needs. Repeat the process for different products to maintain a cohesive brand look. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.